What's happening?
Pierce!
Oh, my lord.
Help!
I believe you two know each other.
Hey, what is this?
The end of the show, when the fat bird sings.
Please, Oswald, if it's money you want, I can get you more.
Shut up! All I wanted from you, dearie, was a little friendship. That would have cost you nothing. But now you'll pay. Huh? I believe this calls for an acceleration of my plans. It's been smashing.
Oswald, it needn't end this way. I truly was growing fond of you. We might have been friends. We still might.
Yes, we all might.
Sorry. 'Tis better to have loved and lost and made a small profit than never to have loved at all. Ah! Fashionably late, I see. On to Act Two. Tally-ho! And who says opera has to be boring? We'll end this on a high note. No!
Careful. Careful.
Oswald, I really was growing fond of you. It's too bad this had to happen.
I suppose it's true what they say. Society is to blame. High society.